I've been exploring the Healow mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Healow mobile app. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Healow app? In essence, Healow is a comprehensive mobile health platform designed to empower patients by giving them easy and secure access to their personal health records, appointments, medications, and direct communication with their healthcare providers. Whether you want to manage your own health or keep track of your family's medical info, Healow aims to simplify the process and put control right in your hands. Now, moving on to the features. When you open the app, you'll find a modern, user-friendly interface with a circular navigation system that organizes everything clearly, from viewing upcoming appointments and medical history to checking test results and prescription details. You can self-schedule appointments, check in ahead of your visit, and even attend virtual telehealth visits directly through the app. Healow supports secure messaging with your care team, so you can ask questions or share updates without needing to call. Medication management is also built in, allowing you to set reminders and request refills easily. Plus, the app tracks vital signs like blood pressure, blood sugar, weight, and more, offering tools to monitor health goals and share data with your doctor. Another great feature is the ability to manage multiple family members' records under one account, making it convenient for parents or caregivers. Notifications and practice updates make sure you stay informed every step of the way. Speaking from my personal experience, Healow has been a very useful tool for keeping all my healthcare details organized and accessible. I like how I can schedule appointments anytime without waiting on hold, and the telehealth option makes virtual visits straightforward and convenient. Getting test results instantly and messaging my provider securely saves me time and hassle. The app's health tracking features also give me peace of mind, especially when managing chronic conditions or goals. Overall, Healow feels like a modern, effective way to stay connected with my care team and stay on top of my health. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, some users may find that the app occasionally experiences slow loading times or syncing issues, especially when accessing detailed records or test results. The interface, while clean, can sometimes feel a bit complex due to the many features packed in, which might require a learning curve for less tech-savvy users. Also, the quality of the telehealth experience can depend on your internet connection and the provider's setup. And since access depends on your healthcare provider using compatible systems, not all providers may offer full app functionality. Lastly, like many medical apps, certain features may require enabling permissions or account setup steps that might feel cumbersome initially. In short, the Healow app is a powerful and versatile health management tool that puts important medical information and communication directly at your fingertips. Its robust features, from appointment scheduling and telehealth visits to medication reminders and family management, make it a valuable app for anyone looking to better manage their healthcare digitally. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.